So we are learning chapter number 10, that is energy. Okay. And in the previous class, we have learned about 10.3 and 10.4, where we learned about the different types of energy, like the thermal energy. We said thermal energy is produced only when it is heated, when something is heated. Okay. So thermal energy can also be called as Ayan said in the last class, heat energy. Am I right, Ayan?
Mohammed said.
Mohammed said, okay. ठीक है. Now we are moving towards 10.5, that is kinetic energy. Okay. Kinetic energy is an energy that you get only when you are moving. Moving energy is called as kinetic energy. Do you understand what I speak, bachalo?
Yes.
If it is in one position, if it is not moving, then it is called as potential energy. But when it is moving, no, it is called kinetic energy. Okay, let us learn more about it and then we will write. If you ride a bicycle, you have to push on the pedals to make it move. Push some more and you go faster. Cycling can be hard work. It uses up your energy. But what actually happens is your energy gets transferred to the cycle when it is moving. Okay, so when your energy has been put to some object, whether it is a bike, whether it is a cycle, when your energy is moved to some other thing, then we call this moving energy to be kinetic energy. Okay, see, your energy is transferred to the bike. When it is moving, we say that it has kinetic energy. The person riding the bike also has kinetic energy. Why? Because the energy is moving, because they are moving. Any moving object will have kinetic energy, because without that energy, you think anything can move? Unless you push, anything can move. Either you push yourself or you push some object, it is not going to move. So anything that is moving is kinetic energy. Is it very clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shiza, are you understanding? Shamila, Tabish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay. Now you can see moving cycle. The person who is running the cycle has kinetic energy. Or if we are moving an elephant, okay, on the skateboard, if we are moving that elephant on a skateboard, we will call it a kinetic energy. Yes. Yes, Mohammed, you were not in class. Good morning. Yeah. Now we are learning about kinetic energy more or less. If an object is moving faster, what will we say? It has more kinetic energy. If an object is moving slow, but still moving, what will we call it? Less kinetic.
It has low kinetic energy.
Less kinetic energy, but there is kinetic energy. Okay.
Yes, because
if
it's still working.
Objects are moving at the same speed, the one with more mass has more kinetic energy and the one with less mass will have less kinetic energy.
Because it is bigger, it needs more kinetic energy to work.
Okay, what I am talking about is when two objects are moving, okay, at the same speed. You can see both moving at the same speed. Okay, one is where you are pushing an elephant and other where you are moving a pin. You are getting me what I'm trying to say? Okay, we're talking about a pin and an elephant. Okay, if pin and an elephant are moving in the same speed, then who has more kinetic energy?
The elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, this is how it works. More mass moving at the same speed has more kinetic energy, because it takes lot of energy to move that elephant. Am I right? Then it will take energy to move a pin. पिन मूव करने के लिए कम एनर्जी लगेगा, तो हम लोग बोलेंगे कम काइनेटिक एनर्जी है. लेकिन एलिफेंट को मूव करने के लिए, वो स्पीड के लिए, we will require more of the energy, so we will call it to have more kinetic energy. Is it very clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we've learned two things. One is that moving energy is called as kinetic energy. Second point, if an object is moving faster, we will say it has more kinetic energy. Third point, we will say if two objects are moving at the same speed, the one with more mass will have more kinetic energy. Clear?
Yes.
Now we are moving
Yes,
to
ma'am.
an activity. Okay, just look at this activity and what we can understand. This picture shows one way to investigate kinetic energy. We are going to see, how we come to know about the kinetic energy. A glass marble is dropped on a tray of damp sand. Now, when I say damp, का मतलब क्या होता है?
Where the water is stored.
Ma'am, where's the water
Wet.
store?
Okay, wet, which has moisture. Damp is something that has moisture. Okay, बहुत ज्यादा गीला नहीं भी होगा तो उसमें नमी रहेगी, moisture रहेगा. Okay, so again I repeat, a glass marble is dropped on a tray of damp sand. Damp sand means a sand that has little moisture. The marble makes a mark in the sand. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you
Yes.
can see what do you say, a print of the marble कि marble यहाँ drop हुआ है, उधर निशान हो जाएगा. It leaves a mark
Circle
there.
will form.
Yes, the more kinetic energy the object has, the bigger mark will it make. Yes or no? Yes. So this shows that more mass, more kinetic energy, less mass, less kinetic energy.
Because the ball is small, it has less kinetic energy.
Exactly, exactly. Okay, now we are moving about slowing down. When a cyclist slows down, they have less kinetic energy. Yes or no? Because they're putting less of the pressure. If they're slowing down slowly and gradually, now the energy that is moving is reducing. Okay, what happens to the kinetic energy? To stop a bicycle, the cyclist presses on the brakes. The brakes
It is
block the movement of the wheel.
Tire.
Yes, yes. The force of the friction, क्योंकि वो अभी ब्रेक लग रहा है, ब्रेक लगने से क्या होगा, जो मूवमेंट ऑफ द व्हील है, जो मूवमेंट ऑफ द टायर है, that is going to be
the friction.
blocked by
It
the
will stop
brakes.
it.
Okay, so you will see a force of friction that is happening between the brake and the tire or the wheel. So when you see that friction happening between them, then what happens? The cycle stops. Yes, Ayan, what makes you smile like this? Tell me, what were
I
you?
was checking my microphone.
Okay.
It was turning on and off again and again. I don't know why. My keyboard got.
Because I
something.
thought I said something funny, like, or something you remembered of.
No.
Okay. So we're talking about the force of the friction slows down, the bike stops. What does the brake actually, what happens to the brake? The brake gets?
Ma'am,
It
the
stops
brake
the
gets
tire.
stopped because of the
Yeah.
friction.
No, and when if you have just, if you cycle, when you're cycling now, you should try to apply brake, okay? And after you have applied brake, as soon as the bicycle stops, just get down and try to touch the brake.
It
It
will
will be
become
so hot.
Yes, it will be hot. And why it is hot is because now the energy, the kinetic energy has moved to that brake, and the brake has, with friction, stopped the tire. Okay,
And
the
ma'am,
brake
also if you
stops.
rub your hands, it will become like
Yes,
hot, very
yes.
hot.
That's
Yes.
just friction.
The brake blocks get hot, and that is where the kinetic energy goes, and this is how the cycle stops. Is it clear? He's still feeling like laughing. I don't know what is the problem today with him. There is some problem with Ayan today. We need to hold his brake tight. There is some kinetic energy happening here. See, it is moving.
No,
It
ma'am.
is moving. Okay. Chalo. Okay, now we're talking about friction resisting movement. Okay, if you remember, we've learned the chapter force of friction. Have we learned friction? And we know what happens is when friction happens, things slow down. friction reduces a moving object. Yes or no? Whenever there is a friction, then the moving object, it becomes very difficult for an object to keep moving. Friction makes things hot. For example, when a car travels along the road, when a car is moving, tell me what is happening? Which energy is there? Kinetic energy. Moving,
Kinetic.
moving है तो kinetic energy. A car is traveling along the road. There is friction between the air and the car. Yes or no? वो हवा को चीरती हुई आगे चली जाती है कार ऐसे करके. Yes or no? What is actually
Yes.
happening is there is a friction between the air and the car. This makes the air hotter and stops the car from going faster and faster. क्योंकि hot होगा तो क्या होगा? Friction है तो hot होगा. Hot होगा तो क्या होगा? Have you ever heard कि अगर बहुत तेजी से आप कार चलाओ और you know if it is hot, the ground is also hot, the tires burst.
Yeah, they also melt sometime if we park them
Yes.
in such a place.
Yes. And then what will happen if the tire bursts? Tell me. The car is going to stop.
Yes.
So
Or
the
reduce
kinetic
its speed.
energy, the friction is going to let the kinetic energy stop there. Are you getting me? So this is what they're trying to tell us. Friction resisting movement. Friction reduces a moving object's kinetic energy. So whenever there is kinetic energy, there will be friction around that will try to stop it. Okay. And in the case of a car that is traveling around the road, what is happening? Friction between the car and the air is there. Air becomes hotter and it tries to stop the car, which is moving faster and faster. Okay. Now very quickly, we will write down the summary. Everybody please write down the summary very quickly, because everything that we just spoke about is there in the summary. So I will not give you any extra points today.
Done, ma'am.
That's nice.
Done.
Very nice. Are you literally writing or just saying done, done?
No, we are writing. We are
Okay.
not like
Ma'am, you
others,
want to see?
just
Yeah,
taking
actually.
screenshot.
You want to see?
I will see the day I
Want
want
to
to
see?
see, not the day
Wait,
you
ma'am, I'll
say,
show you.
Mohammed. I
Shall
will
I
see
show
what
you?
I want to see.
Can you mute Hanif?
Okay.
You like
Hanif, are you understanding what we are doing in class? Because nowadays I can see him present but still not interacting. Mariam, are you done writing the summary, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving about energy on the move. Okay, the transfer of energy, how it is moving from one object to the other. So far, you have studied various ways of storing energy. When I say storing energy, Tabish, what am I talking about? Storing energy when I talk about?
Ma'am, like keeping the reserve energy.
Thermal energy. Is stored.
Mohammed,
No,
what
ma'am.
is
Store
it?
energy like in wires, ma'am.
Batteries.
Yes,
Batteries.
battery. Sorry.
Storing energy is batteries. है ना Tabish?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Okay. So far, yes, Mohammed, you want to say something better?
Ma'am, what is the name of the chapter 10.5?
Energy. You want to know about
Thank
10.6?
you.
Energy on move. And you want to know 10.5 was kinetic energy. Okay, Mohammed?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So far, various ways of storing energy we have studied. Now we will look at how we can transfer energy from one place to another. We're going to see how the energy is going to be transferred from one place to another. Now, electricity transfers energy. We know batteries are useful because they are stores of chemical energy. You connect a battery to a circuit and then you can see a lamp light, okay? Or you will see a motor spin. Have you ever seen a circuit, everybody?
Yes. I've
Have you
even
ever-
seen a motor
Yes.
spin. I've even made one.
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
ever made a circuit?
No, not made a circuit. Like, use that fan or whatever you said.
Okay.
Circuit.
But I have seen circuit.
Okay, I'll just see to if we can manage doing something in this field, because I will always want you to make one circuit. Okay, we'll see how we can go about it.
Make a circuit.
Yeah.
This is robotics class. Let's go.
No, it's not robotics. It is science.
Robotics.
Okay, it is science, because here we are going to see how the energy is getting transferred. Now we all know that the energy is stored in a battery. Battery is a store of chemical energy. Now, if you connect a battery to a circuit, now when I say circuit, I will just want to show you a circuit figure, okay?
But
Have
do
you
you
ever
know how to
seen a
make
circuit
one?
figure?
Circuit. Ma'am, do you know how to make a circuit?
Yes, why not?
This chip.
No,
You know
not,
to.
This
no,
is
not,
circuit board.
no.
Is it something that you can ride? Like skateboard, circuit board.
Wait. Transfer of energy.
I'll ride my circuit board.
Circuit figure. Yes.
Ma'am, yes, we know this. Ma'am,
Have
we
you
have
seen
done
this?
this in robotics class. Ma'am like gave us a prototype to join all the wires and
Yes.
we did it together.
Yes. A
We
circuit is
made.
somewhere like this, where you will
Yes.
have a battery, okay? And then it will be connected to the connecting wires, okay?
Yes.
The battery, if you have ever seen a battery, the battery will show you a plus and a minus sign. Have you ever seen that?
Yes. Every
Yes?
time.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you put the battery properly in the plus and the minus sign in the connecting wires, then you can see that the bulb will glow. Okay. What is actually happening in this circuit is the chemical energy that is stored in the battery is now getting transferred into the wires. Okay. Yes, Mohammed? Okay, it is getting transferred into the wires, and you can see how the chemical energy has got converted into electric energy. Do you get me, bacha? Everybody? Have you understood what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Most homes have a supply of mains electricity. We have electricity at home. This can supply energy to operate lights, heaters, washing machine, television, and many other appliances. Mains electricity can supply energy much more quickly than a battery. Whatever you use with a battery, okay, will be less of energy. Okay, if you use it with the wire, then what is going to happen? more of energy. I hope you can understand. What is the reason? Because in the electric wire, you can see a continuous flow of energy. But when we talk about a battery has a limited store of battery. Limited store of chemical energy. Do you understand what I'm speaking, bacha? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Like for example, if you use something that is battery operated, it will not be as fast as if you use something which is electrical or which is, with that main wires. You get me, right? You take an example of a battery fan and take an example of the normal fan that you use with the mains, with the
And
main.
PC and laptop. PC
Yes.
can work for a long time than the
Exactly.
laptop
Exactly.
without the charger.
Yes, that's right. You're so very right. An appropriate example. One is the desktop where everything is connected with the wire. Okay, the other is laptop. Laptop will work, but work for a limited period of time, wherein there you can sit and work for hours together. Am I right? Okay. Now we say that electricity in the wires carry electrical energy to where it is needed. Wherever it is required, it will move. Now we will see how the energy spreads out. When an object is hot, we say that it is having thermal energy stored. You might have seen whenever you're cooking or whenever you're doing anything like that, that particular utensil will store which energy? Thermal energy. If it is hotter than the surrounding, its energy spreads out. What actually happens is you keep a hot thing. What happens slowly? Tell me. It will become cool down. Yes or
Cool
no?
down.
Yeah, it will cool down. Where is that energy gone? वो जो heat था वो कहाँ गया? It got spread in the environment. Okay, and one very good example of spreading this energy was, I told you, people have fireplaces in their houses where they burn wood. Okay, and they sit next to the fireplace. Why they are sitting there? Because they are getting
To get
energy.
warm.
Yeah, they are getting warmth. Okay, that energy is getting spread. Okay, energy spreading out from hot object is called heat energy. It spreads out from a hot object, like how we spoke about the fireplace. If an object is very, very hot, then it may start glowing and then it starts giving you light energy. So tell me, a bulb will require more energy or cooking will require more energy?
A bulb.
A bulb. Because
Bulb.
it will glow only if it reaches that much hotness. You're understanding? कि वो glow होने लगे, इतना hot होना चाहिए. और thermal energy के लिए थोड़ा सा heat भी enough है. You know कि आप पानी को 2-3 मिनट भी गैस पे रख दोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? गर्म हो जाएगा. So it has acquired the thermal energy. Do you get me?
So, ma'am, if we keep it up for a long time, then it will glow.
Yeah, it
water?
will start burning, no, beta? So then
Oh,
you can see
yeah.
the glow. Yes? Yes, Mohammed? You want to see the
Yes.
glow?
I want to see it glow.
If you want
The
to see
water.
the glow, Mama will give you one nice slap on the face. Yes? Okay, because you're going to burn her utensil, you will have to maybe, burn the kitchen also to see the glow. Okay. Now, a light bulb is a good example. Inside a bulb, there is a hot wire or a hot gas. Light from the bulb spreads in all the directions. And then you can see so much of, you might have seen LED lights and all. Have you? Yeah. Or at least a bulb you might have seen. You see that wire that is there inside? ऐसा round में wire रहता है bulb के?
Yes. A piece of metal.
Yeah. Yes, see. Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the wire that is there inside the bulb? Yeah.
Yes.
This is the hot wire. okay, which makes the entire bulb glow. Now we are moving towards sound spreading out. Have you ever heard sound from, say, a drum or something like that? Yes.
Yes.
What is actually happening? How is the sound coming out? You just bang a drum, it vibrates. And when
Yes,
it
the
vibrates,
sound
heat is produced.
is produced.
Yeah. We hear the bang of the drum. Vibrations carry the sound of the drum through the air and then to our ears. When the drum stops vibrating, its energy is being transferred through the air as sound. Electricity, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, all these are energy carriers. Carriers means they carry energy from one place to another. Electricity, heat energy, light energy, and sound energy. Very important from your exam point of view. Name the energy carriers. So what are the energy carriers? Electricity, heat energy, light energy, and sound energy. They are carried in different ways. Do you understand well till here, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Very quickly write this down, the summary part.
Mom, I can't see the summary part.
Why, beta, you can't see? Now? Now
Yes,
can
ma'am,
you
thank you.
see?
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
Done.
Great. Energy can be transferred from one object to another. There are different ways in which energy can be transferred. One is by electricity, the other is by heat, the third is by light. And what is the other energy that we spoke about? I said 4 things. Energy
Kinetic.
carrier.
Thermal energy.
No,
Oh, yeah, that.
thermal is heat.
Sound.
Yes. So you will add on this by sound also. By electricity, by heat, by light, and by sound. So energy is transferred. Can I erase that?
Yes,
One second.
So we'll do one thing, 10.7 and 10.8. We will do it in the next class. Today we have completed 10.5 and 10.6. Have you understood today's lecture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm telling Advait's
Yes, ma'am.
dialogue. Only
Yeah.
yours and mine's camera is on.
Yes, I am. Others don't listen to me, no. Actually, Sakib हमेशा on
I'm
रखता
taking
है.
the role of Advait.
Yeah. Sakib keeps it on, but I don't know, today he might have some issue. Sakib is like always
Ma'am,
on.
by electricity, by heat, and
Yes, ma'am. Network issue.
Yeah, I thought so. नहीं तो उसका हमेशा ऑन रहता है. अयान भी ज्यादातर ऑन रखता है. शौमिला पहले रखती थी, अभी नहीं रखती है.
ma'am,
Okay.
by electricity, by heat, and what?
मेरा कैमरा
By
ऑन था अभी मैंने ऑफ।
electricity, by heat, by light, by sound. Okay. Chalo, we end our class for today here and we meet in the next class. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, do you know Advait is in Gujarat? He
He
told
keeps
me.
traveling, no? All the time. Lucky fellow, no? काश हम लोग को भी रोज सुबह उठ के बोलो इधर चल दो.
He's vaccinated, that's why.
Okay, he got vaccinated where?
Don't know.
Okay, because in
In
India,
Nigeria, I think.
yeah, because in India we've not started vaccinating kids yet. He might have got five. Mariam, you're vaccinated?
When he was in Nigeria, he got it. I think.
Yes, Mariam.
Yes, ma'am, I'm vaccinated.
Pfizer. Which vaccination did you take?
Pfizer vaccine, I don't remember. I'm getting Pfizer only in Kuwait.
Yeah, I think you're in Saudi, Mariam.
Kuwait.
Okay. Okay. In India, we've still not started, but I think very soon we'll start. Let's. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye.